from my session, there was one particular key item that was highlighted by industry, that patient safety is always paramount for them, which is clear, and it's the reason why they invested in tools, resources, and also continues to engage all other stakeholders to ensure that fix are fought head on. From regulatory perspective, and also as also shared by Dr. Wanga, I see quite a number of similarities in terms of what the regulatory body is doing, and particularly in Ghana, I would say one of the key things that have been put in place, which is very helpful, is the interagency task force, which is a committee or grouping made up of different stakeholders, including the police, legal expert, FDA, and other experts aimed at collaborating to fight the issue of fakes. The second thing I will cite is the strong communication coming from the regulatory authority. Particularly, there's a very strong social media presence in addition to other forms of communication, where timely information is delivered to the populace. And there are instances, as Dr. Bayo had mentioned, that immediately the FDA picks up wrong communication in social media, or whether perceived or real incidents of fakes, FDA picks it up and issues communication in terms of what kind of actions have been taken and the outcomes of those actions. And the last point I want to say is in terms of the regulatory authorities' ability to test and its upgrade to WHO level 3 maturity level. I think all this goes into play to ensure that, yes, if there's perception of fakes, they go in, quickly test, and then issue communication around it. And overall, this has helped improve public confidence. And I think the populace in Ghana continues, irrespective of the challenges that we find ourselves in, continue to trust the health authorities in terms of its ability to address the issue of fakes. From my referee's perspective, I believe there's still a lot of work that needs to be done in terms of ensuring punitive or sanctions are very, very severe enough to prevent people want to profit from this, from engaging in it. Secondly, yes, it goes without saying that our borders are very porous, so counterfeiting a neighboring country can easily slip into Ghana, and for that matter, any other country. It's something that our countries need to work on to ensure that our borders are significantly safe. And last but not the least, continuous education of the populace, health workers, to be able to detect or know what fakes are, to know how they present themselves, and especially when there's a medication that is supposed to be $1 and somebody is offering it for half or a tenth of the price, it should serve as a warning sign for people to ask more questions, probe, and if, for that matter, report this to a health authority. Overall, I would say the health authority in Ghana, and I'm sure a number of countries within Africa, are trying to work very hard within the limited resources they have to ensure that public confidence in good, safe, and quality medicines are maintained as much as possible, and people get the best outcomes in terms of treatment for medicines that they get from hospitals and pharmacies.